Good day, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the 18 to 19 degrees Taurus, the zodiac arc, which I had mentioned that is most enigmatic one, and also mentioned that it is called Vishghati. Vishghati means it is not a good time for planets, especially malefics, to be in this degree in the arc of Taurus. And as per the past, it has been observed that every time there has been a malefic, there have been troubles. There have been troubles. Now, whether it was 1857 rebellion or whether it was Easter, there were serial blasts in Sri Lanka at the time of Easter on the 21st April 2019. I had predicted about this event also, and this was published in the Star Teller magazine in the April edition, and the prediction were absolutely spot on at that point of time also. At the time of 1857, Mars was in Taurus and Mercury was at 18.57 degrees in the Vishghati, and it was with Mars. And at the time of Easter, on the 21st April 2019, Mars was at 19 degrees in Rohini Nakshatra. As a matter of fact, it has been researched that any malefic planet, especially in the star Rohini, is most malefic. And to put in plain words, I would say till Rahu is in Rohini Nakshatra, it is most malefic till the 10th September 2021. So I had also predicted that this arc, since it is afflicted by the Angarak Yoga, Mars and Rahu, it will adversely influence the stock and financial markets. The stock and financial markets will first become volatile and then it will become bearish in this time frame from the 25th April to 3rd of April. And it is the most enigmatic time for earthquakes, virus spread, whether it is volcanic eruptions, whether it is war between countries, whether it is terrorism, whether it is explosion, all because Mars is energy and fire and Rahu is oil. So it is destruction, explosion, and Mars is a Bhumi Tattva. So a very earthquake of a high intensity can even be seen till 3rd of April. My friends, I wish my prediction go wrong as far as this high intensity earthquake is concerned. But Australia, you have seen, it got trapped. I'd also mentioned that natural and unnatural calamities would take place, and Australia is the first one to get trapped. It is fallen prey of the Angarak Yoga. Then you see in Bangladesh, the Rohini camp, there was huge blaze and people had to run. So many people are missing there. And then there's Colorado shooting and so many other events. I had some questions by the readers and the video people who are listening to my videos that I should mention the dates for the stock markets when they will become bearish. Friends, I have written, please read my articles very carefully. I don't want to give any specific dates on the videos because then I'll be encouraging speculation, and speculation is not good. Encouraging speculation is not good. But if you read through my articles, I have mentioned the sensitive time frames when the stock market could take a hit. Probably it may not take a hit because it all depends upon the sentiment of the investor. So I have already mentioned, and stock and financial market predictions are extremely difficult. I don't say I'm an expert on stock and financial markets, but I know when the sensitive points in the zodiac are activated, especially by Mars, then it is the time when the stock and financial markets could take a hit. And Mars transit. I have mentioned an article right from Mars transit in Pisces to Leo. I have mentioned these specific dates. Those dates are most crucial, and especially in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra when Mars and Saturn are giving Veda to each other from the 25th April to 17th of May, and then from the 1st of July to 7th of July. And as I've already mentioned, as far as March and April is concerned, from the 25th April to 3rd of April, and then to be more specific till 14th of April, and then from 14th of April to 2nd of July to 7th of July. So I have also written an article on the stock markets taking into consideration the Jupiter and Mars transit. Please follow. I don't want to give any specific dates because people can be misled and they can have losses. So please be careful. They could be. I'm not an expert in financial astrology. Yes, I can pinpoint the dates as per the different parameters and different analogies used in astrology to pinpoint what are the specific dates when some untoward happenings can take place and when good events can take place. So friends, you can use them at your own will. I will not give any specific date in the video because it could prove otherwise also. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say, that my predictions for the stock market, what I had said, not only for the stock market but for all the events, have proved spot on, especially the time frame between 23rd of March to 3rd of April, especially 25th. Tomorrow, Saturn will also join Mars and Rahu in the same Navamsha, in the Gemini Navamsha, and both will be influencing the Ketu in the Sagittarius Navamsha, where the eclipse had taken place on the 26th December 2019, from where the coronavirus had sprouted. So it is very obvious, till Mars and Saturn will influence Ketu in Navamsha, in the Sagittarius sign, the virus will spike. There will be surge in the coronavirus. It's very simple. It is obvious. No astrologer has been able to see this. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share, and thank you for listening to me, and have a good day.